What is Elysium? Yeah, great question. So Elysium, sometimes called Elysium basis or just basis by itself, is a anti-aging supplement made by a company called Elysium. And essentially it's a combination of two ingredients, nicotinamide riboside and pterostilbene. Pterostilbene is a molecule that is somewhat related to resveratrol. So nicotinamide riboside is a form of niacin discovered probably 10, 12 years ago. And the big claim to fame of nicotinamide riboside is that it is it's a compound that raises NAD, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. This is an energy molecule. We need it in our bodies. Problem is we tend to make less of this NAD compound as we get older. So the thought is just replace NAD by taking supplements like nicotinamide riboside, and you might help the aging process. Maybe you'll grow younger, stuff like that. There is some research on nicotinamide riboside, and I've covered them in depthly on my YouTube channel. And also I have a playlist here on TikTok as well. So go to my profile and look for the NMN and NR playlist. And by the way, NMN, which you may have heard of, that's nicotinamide mononucleotide. This is also another anti-aging supplement that is touted to increase NAD levels. So to let the cat out of the bag, I'm not really impressed so much with the research I see on nicotinamide riboside or NMN for that matter. And again, if you want to see those results of the studies on humans, go check them out for yourself. And same thing with pterostilbene. I would say get it from food, grapes, stuff like that. There is research on the basis supplement. I will say this, and my problem with it is that none of the studies that I have seen has compared nicotinamide riboside and pterostilbene to just simply nicotinamide riboside by itself. And then the other question that I have for all of these NAD supplements, and not just NAD supplements, but also the people out there on TikTok who are promoting injections of NAD. Yeah, that's a thing as well. Nobody wants to talk about the easy way to raise NAD, and that is exercise. Yeah, it turns out we do make NAD when we exercise, and exercise is well known to increase NAD levels, but also improve our mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cells. They're like batteries, and they burn fat. And nicotinamide riboside is touted to increase mitochondrial health and the number of mitochondria, and I'm still kind of on the fence with whether it does or doesn't. But I do know that exercise will improve mitochondrial functioning and raise NAD levels, and there's a deluge of research suggesting, and not suggesting, but telling us that regular exercise will actually improve our genes and increase not only the quality of our lives, but also the quantity of life as well.